Can you give me about when you went to work for Small Smiles? Now, I think I've got some of the contracts, so I may be able to.
I think it was April of 2006.
Okay. And who did you interview with Small Smiles?
Dan DeRose.
Okay. And what did you understand his position to be?
The CEO.
When did you become the owner of the Louisville clinic?
I don't remember.
About when? Years?
2007. I asked if I could become an owner of a center.
Who did you ask?
It was Michael Lindley,
Why would you ask Michael Lindley?
because he was CEO of the management company, and they helped expand or build. They helped with the building of an office.
How much did you spend to build that clinic in Kentucky?
I don't remember.
How'd you finance it?
I don't know.
How'd you pay for it?
I don't know.
And did you negotiate the contracts for the lease at the offices?
The management company helped me with that.
Did I ask you whether you did it?
I did not.
Did you have anything to do with it?
I don't remember.
Okay. And did you sign the lease?
I don't remember.
Did you negotiate with the bank for financing?
No.
Did you set up the accounting system?
No.
Did you set up the computer record system?
No.
Did you select the vendor for the computer record system?
No.
Did you select the location?
No.
About when did you become an owner in Ohio?
2008 or 9.
How did that come about?
A discussion with Michael Lindley and Al Smith.
Tell me about that discussion.
I don't remember specifics.
If somebody else owned the clinic, Ken Ott or whoever it is you claim owned the clinic, why were you discussing that with Al Smith?
They no longer wanted to be owners in the centers, and they asked if I wanted to purchase their.
And did you agree to purchase those dental practices?
Yes.
For how much?
I don't remember.
About how much?
Honestly, I don't remember.
I've seen figures that it costs about $1 million to open one of those clinics, and these were relatively new clinics, weren't they?
Yes.
Did you pay $1 million or more?
No.
Did you pay $500,000 or more?
No.
Did you pay $250,000 or more?
No.
Pay $100,000 or more?
No.
Pay $50,000 or more?
No.
Pay $10,000 or more?
No.
Pay $5,000 or more?
No.
Pay $1,000 or more?
No.
Pay $500 or more?
I don't remember. Like, I know it was under 1,000, but I don't remember how much I paid.
And for under $1,000, you were going to own a clinic that cost $1 million to create.
Yes.
Ownership of the clinic can only be done by a dentist. True?
True.
So why are you negotiating with these business guys about ownership of the clinic?
I don't know.
Who's Todd Cruz?
He worked at CHSM,
CSHM is the corporate entity that existed
the management company.
Well, they're the corporate entity that existed in Nashville, right?
They were my management company.
What do you mean they were your management company?
They helped me manage my offices.
When did you hire them?
I did not hire them.
You don't know who hired them, do you?
No.
You didn't hire them.
No.
Now, for all of the Colorado clinics that you owned, for all of the time you owned them, is it fair to say that the income from those clinics went to the management company?
The management company managed my finances. They did my payroll, they paid the taxes, they paid the benefits for all my staff, so they managed everything. The
I'm not
inc-
asking you who paid the bills, I'm asking you who got the income. Did you get the income?
Some of the income went to myself.
How much did they pay you to be an owner?
It was based on how each center did individually.
A share of profit?
Yes.
What was your share?
It was a percentage.
How high a percentage?
I don't recall.
Are you aware that the Colorado dental rules prohibit dentists from sharing fees with non-dentists?
I am aware.
And in fact, during all of the time that you were employed by the Colorado clinics, you shared fees with the management company, didn't you?
No, I did not. I did not share fees. They had a management service fee.
Which was all of the income of the clinics.
It was not all of the income of the clinic.
How much of the income?
It was $175,000 a month.
You got the rest of the income from the clinics.
There wasn't any income over the management service fee.
You're saying they didn't get all the income. They only got all of the cost plus 175,000, but there was never any income over that.
There was not income over it. All of the income generated per center went to pay for all of the expenses of the center and then also had to pay the management service fee.
And there was never any money left over for the so-called owner.
I don't know. You're asking a broad statement. There was not in the time I owned.
Do you remember the bonus program that they had?
Yes.
And what they did is they would pay a bonus to not only the dentist, but to the dental assistants and to everybody else in the office. Do you remember that program?
I do.
And this bonus structure appears to be strictly based on average daily production. Meaning yes?
Yes.
Was it routine for the corporate office in Nashville to give you expectations or goals or quotas for how much revenue you'd be expected to bring in on a yearly basis?
I mean, this document looks like one, but I don't recall.
You're the owner, or you're the manager of the clinic, and you're asking the management company to tell you what the bonus structure is?
Yep.
Okay, and the corporate office was setting the standard for what each clinic would be required to do in terms of conversions, true?
Not setting a standard, giving a
Well,
goal to reach.
A goal? Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Absolutely.
Okay. Average production per day goal, that's just how much revenue the clinic's expected to generate each day?
Yes.
Okay, and that's all set by the corporate office?
I don't know who said that.
But you have the ability to sort of negotiate that. These earlier emails that we referred to, you were in effect negotiating with the corporate office to have that goal set lower, true?
Yes.